the optional stuff. Glitter. I have a couple colors here. I used all my pink because I really hate pink. And haters gonna hate, you know? I have paint, which I'm also going to use to color this slime that I'm about to make again. If you are going to use paint, get a pen, and then just put the pen in the paint and then just dab it all around your slime. Okay? You will totally need this. If you don't have it, then I'm sorry. Okay? So what you're going to need is a bowl, of course, some sugar, lotion, and some hair gel. I just have this Gorilla Moco stuff. If you have one that's slimier than this, then go ahead and use it. So, oh, and you will also need glitter glue. So I actually have half a cup in here. So I'm gonna put in my lotion first. Oh, and I didn't mention this, but you also need a mixer. So, let's do this. Dang, I'm running out of lotion. It's alright. Because I already made like a buttload of this. So, kind of running out of lotion here. Let me see if I can just, gosh. If you're going to use like a lot of lotion, like this much, then you only need half of what this is. Actually, maybe about 3/4. You will need a mixer, which I have right here, which is this, but it's kind of sticky and stuff. It's covered in glue. So yeah, because I use this to mix this one too. So we're just going to mix that up really good. And I actually still have slime in here from when I made it the last time. So yeah, just gonna kind of like get all that slime. And see, like, if you're doing this in a clean bowl, then you'll say like, oh, this isn't gonna work because it's all liquidy still. Well, it will work because, I mean, look at this. See that? It'll work. And now, I might need some more of this. So, I'm just gonna add some more sugar. I'm just gonna mix. The sugar actually makes this really sticky. But if you put like a lot of sugar, then it'll make your slime last longer. So, that's what I do. And it'll make your slime incredibly sticky too. So, yeah. I might need more lotion. Oops. Maybe just like a dab. Okay, there. There, stay. Hey, why did I tell it to stay? I don't know. Anyways, now it's starting to get all globby and slimy and stuff. Look at this. Pick it up. Gets stuck, but with the hair gel that I'm gonna use, it will get funky. It will. Look, hold on. See if I can just like. It smells really good. So just kind of like get a swab. I don't think I have enough. This is my cousin's. I don't think I have any under my. I do. My throat has just been backed up since 2 days, and now I found out that I have an ear infection. Like, the inside of my ears are cherry red. So I gotta go to the doctor, even though I can't miss any more days of school, which sucks. So I'm gonna have to go after about 10. I'm gonna have to leave my school after 10, because if you leave after 10, then they won't mark you tardy. So that's a good thing. And this is a very recent video, and I'm not even sure if it's Wednesday. I'm pretty sure it's Tuesday. I thought yesterday was Tuesday, though. Who cares? I'm gonna post this video anyways. I don't care what day it is, I can post videos whenever I want. It's my life, I can do what I want to. My life, I want to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ouch. I can't go that high when I'm singing, like, on my notes. I can't go too high, or else, like, then I'll mess up my voice. And I don't want to do that. I have a beautiful voice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I'm actually a really good singer. Like, my friends are always like, Gabby, you have such a great voice. I'm like, thank you. But my throat is backed up again. So, like, now I can't sing. And they also say I sound like Shakira. Like, I'm not kidding. They're, like, always saying, you sound like Shakira. And I'm like, I know. And I'm, like, so embarrassed because I don't want to sound like Shakira. I'm kidding. I enjoy sounding like Shakira because I like to be complimented. But if you want to post a hate comment, then go ahead. Because I don't care, because I'm unbreakable. And I can respond to those hate comments with another hate comment to you. I think. I don't know. I don't even know if that's possible. I can probably do that in one of my videos. It's my videos. I can do what I want to. Oh, and did I add my glitter? I can't remember. So, yeah. Dang it, the stick is breaking. I, like, already heard a crack. I heard, and I was like, dang it. So I'm just going to use this stick that also has slime on it. That's awesome. And as I mix, like, this is getting stuck together, like in clumps. See? And this is, like, an awesome consistency. I love this consistency. Now I'm just going to add in my colors and some glitter. I'm pretty sure I forgot to add in some glitter. So, yeah. Ew, yellow. I don't like the Lakers because I already added in purple and yellow. And I hate the Lakers. They suck. Spurs is better. And the Lakers, if you're watching this, I don't care. You suck. I'm not kidding. The Lakers actually really, really suck. If you're a Lakers fan, go ahead, post a hate comment. I really don't care. I got a sass. Deal with it. And I can sass all I want. So post your hate comments. Post anything you want. I really don't care. Look at that. It's all in clumps, and that's awesome. And you might want to, like, leave this out to dry a little bit. So, yeah. I'm just making a mess of my desk right now. So I'm doing this on my art desk in my room. I'm just making a mess. Like, literally, I will show you my desk at the end of the video. You can see how jacked up it is. Yeah. It's, like, super jacked up. Ouch. For some reason, when I burp, it hurts. Let me break the silence. There was, like, silence for a little bit, and I'm, like, upstairs in my room, and I'm totally freaked out. I'm upstairs. Like, I can barely make it halfway through the hallway without screaming. I'm not kidding. Sometimes. And I know I said I'm unbreakable. So you're going to post that in the comments. Oh, I thought you said you were unbreakable. Yeah, I am of you. So, I got a sass. I've got everything. Yeah. This is my second video and I chose to do a DIY. Slime. Yeah, 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 yeah. I like singing Shakira better. I'm off tonight, my hips starlight, I'm starting to feel this way. Objection. Can't you see, baby, this is perfecto. And I'm off tonight, my hips starlight, I'm starting to feel it right. Objection. Can't you see, baby, this is perfecto. Oh boy, I can see your body moving, and it's driving me crazy. And I'm so fascinated to feel my. See, I'm doing what I can when I can. Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Sí, Mónica, sí. Mi casa, Shakira, Shakira. Baila la calle, baila la calle. Oh my gosh, I think my mom's out. If she catches me making this, she's going to kill me. Like, I'm not kidding, she will. Not like literally, it's a metaphor, so no one call the CPS or, yeah, CPS, Child Protective Services.